Hey y'all, welcome back. Well, today's video is going to be on the Honda Pioneer 1005. Doing some hunting this weekend on the velvet hunt, and I got thinking about all the hunting accessories that I have on here. And I've released some videos in the past, but I'm going to release a video on my favorite hunting accessories that I have put on this side-by-side that has changed the game for me or stand out in comparison to the other ones. So y'all stay tuned. For those of you that watch the channel, they're probably pretty familiar with my side-by-side, but I'll go ahead and fill everybody in. This is a 2018 Honda Pioneer 1005. I'll be doing a 7-year review here really soon. I've been doing a review every year. Was going to quit at year 5, but people just kept asking and to see what their longevity would be in buying a machine, buying a Pioneer, what it would be like, especially being used like this one. This Pioneer is used for hunting, pulling implements. I pull a cultipacker with it, spreaders, seeders, whatever, trailers, haul stands. I pull boats around with it. This thing has got the same payload as a half-ton truck. But anyway, it's basically 1005. It's in the Phantom Camo, which is one of my favorites, as close you get to real tree edge as possible. But I've really enjoyed this machine, and a main reason for buying it was working on the lease and hunting. So I'm going to start off with the number one, my most favorite accessory. Now, keep in mind, some of these have to be worked by electronics, so I do have switch panels and other videos. I'm just targeting my favorite things that have helped me with deer hunting. And my number one very favorite thing is my SB Wood and Well bed winch. And I'll zoom in here and show you. But the SB Wood and Well bed winch is by far my number one pick. One of the coolest things, people's like, well, you can't lift a deer up by yourself. Yeah, I still can get them in the back, but I don't really want to throw my back out. I'm getting up in age, 52-year-old, and things are starting to show up that hurt that used to not hurt. So this thing has been a lifesaver. And another big plus of that bed winch has been like Kimberly and Sarah and Kayla, Amber, all the girls, Sadie, any of the girls in the family that hunt, if they had this side-by-side and had to load their deer, they can load their deer with it. I mean, it takes all the effort out. You just tilt the bed, hit the release and run it out, and you're ready to go. So if you own a side-by-side and you would like to have a bed winch, call Scott Brooks at sbwoodandwell.com. Get a hold of him, message him. His contact information is on there. And see if he offers one for yours. I know he's got them for Polaris's, Can-Ams, the 1005 Honda Pioneers, the 700s. He's got them for a multiple amount of different ones. And we've even put one on my dad's Rural King 550. We put one, Sector 550. Hyson 550. Basically the same thing. We managed to get one on his. I had to make some brackets, but they're huge. They are just a game changer. So that's my number one. My number two, second favorite thing is probably for hunting would have to be my front Warren winch. It's actually a Honda Super Winch, which is really made by Warren. This winch, I had it installed factory. I didn't put it on like I did everything else when I bought my Pioneer. And it has come in so handy when deer run off in ravines, and we're in the hills and hollers of Tennessee, so you never know where the deer's gonna go. It's gonna go to the lowest point when you shoot it. And this really helps get the deer up and out, get them back up to side-by-side. Side-by-side strong enough to drag them out. The other thing that's a big help is you never know what you're gonna run into going into the woods in the morning on your leases or trails or whatever. It's great for pulling trees out of the way, limbs, and getting stuff completely out of the way so you can pass through and get to your stand safely. My third thing that would be one of the most most used hunting products that I've used and that I love is my seismic overhead 2-gun gun holder. Now, this is very handy when you've got somebody that is hunting with you. And anybody that knows it's got a Pioneer, a lot of times you just put your rifle or your weapon in the cubby and lay it on the back of the seat. It's what a lot of people do to transport from point A to point B on their hunting leases, or if they got a ranch or a farm or whatever. But if you've got any passengers at all, or if you just keep a spare gun like a 22, a shotgun or whatever, it's ideal to have to have in there so that you got somewhere to lock somebody's equipment. And it's really good the way it's made. You can really strap it in tight. You don't have to worry about bumping your scopes. You can put 2 scoped rifles above your head, which is extremely nice. So if you're gonna have passengers or you wanna keep a gun in there all the time, the seismic 2-gun gun rack, overhead gun rack, is a must. And I will put all the links to these in the description below. Now I'd have to say my 4th favorite hunting accessory, and I might get ribbed over this a little bit, but for a different reason than what you think, is my 52-inch curved light bar. Now, that ain't to go spot deer in the middle of the night like most people would think. But the reason I'm saying that this is a very important hunting thing is because when you are going to retrieve a deer or you're going to help find somebody, I've had people turn around in the woods. I've had people turn around in the woods and couldn't find their animal or just needed a way out. The light bar really helps access going in. Just a thought was, or just thinking about it, last year I killed that big wide 9-point and he was at the bottom of a ravine. The video does not show justice how steep that was. And I knew that I wasn't gonna be able to drag him up that hill by myself. So I took this thing with the help of the 52-inch light bar. I was able to go down there, navigate my way through the trees, see what's on both sides. I didn't have to stop, get out and look. It really brightened up the area. And I was able to get down in there. And not only was it handy to get to that location to get that deer, it was really handy too for filming. I was able to use the backlight, put the side-by-side back and put light on me just to be able to shoot the outro of the video when everybody got down there. So the light bar, that's a plus. I would have to say probably my number 5, it does get used loading the deer, is my back 20-inch light bar, 22-inch light bar. I've had these light bars on this side-by-side since 2019, right before I started my YouTube channel. And I've got some on the sides. They don't get used that much. They're not really gonna make the list on this because they are nice if you kick them on just to see if somebody's down in the woods or whatever you're trying to, if somebody's off a hill or whatever. But there's a lot of reasons that those might come in handy, but they're hardly ever used. I almost am thinking about just taking them off. But the front and the rear light bars have got to stay. That rear light bar, even though it's small, it lights up the whole area to where you can safely get to your deer and put it on the back and use the winch to load it up. So it's a huge plus. That would be in my top 5. All right, so on with the list. So the last item I'm gonna mention is one that a lot of people overlook, but it is a necessity if you're a deer hunter or you're any kind of big game hunter. So it would be my bed mat, my molded bed mat for my bed. So this mainly is going to pertain to 1005 owners or anybody that's got the rear seats in the back, because what happens that people don't realize is you throw stuff in that bed, especially a game animal that has been killed, and you've not field dressed it yet, or there's still a lot of blood and stuff left over, it goes right through them cracks and goes right down on them seats underneath. And then you don't realize it until deer season is over and you decide you're gonna go ride in the spring or whatever, and you flip it up and there's caramelized blood all over your seats and stuff. So one thing I will highly recommend is make you a mat or buy a mat. Like I said, I'll put the description below of the one I own. And I promise you, it will help you. That mat stays in place. It don't fly out when you're going down the road. You don't have to worry about that. It's all molded and fits in the bottom. And what I like about the molded mats is they're lipped on the side. So if you do get blood in it, all you got to do is open the tailgate and curve it up and pull it out, wash it off, and stick it right back in. Your seats are great for the next spring. So that's a really good item that you will need if you're going to be loading deer in the back of your side-by-side. And they're not on right now, but one of the items that I absolutely love, and it'll be two parts to this, is my soft panel doors. I absolutely love them. I got them in Phantom Camo to match my side-by-side. They're not on right now because it's bow season, but during hunting season, those are a necessity when you're traveling or going a long way. It's good for somebody gets too cold. You can crank your side-by-side up. They can get in there and get warm. It's not only looks cool, has a really good function, but it also could be one of the safety things too if you wanted to get somebody warmed up if they got too cold. And the other half of that I said was a two-part would be my fabric mid-panel. I really like that mid-panel because I can roll it up during the summer and get air into the cab with the doors off because I have a solid fixed windshield. Or you can roll it down, zip it up, and you're ready to go and keeps all the wind blocked off of you. So it's really nice for hunting. But so covering everything that we've talked about, SB Wood and Well bed winch, and pretty much in order as I say would be needed. SB Wood and Well bed winch, front winch of your desire, whatever you want. A light bar is great for the front where it's mounted to the top or the bottom. It doesn't really matter as long as you can get light. It makes it easier for you to get in the woods, get out of the woods and get in tight spots. The back light that is in the back, that one is one that you'd pretty much need for any loading purposes. Seismic gun rack is awesome for multiple guns, for having a gun there, a secondary gun, or putting your passenger's guns in. And then of course the fabric doors and they're not a necessity. None of this is a necessity for hunting, but it sure makes life a lot easier. You've got your Honda soft doors and plus your mid panel. So those are my favorites for hunting season. I absolutely love these items. So all of the items and links will be in the description below, the best I can find and where I got them from. If not, I'll get something that I have, or something extremely similar that might be at a better value. So check these links. Click on the description below where it's titled the video, right below what you're seeing. Click on it and it'll go down and open up a window and you'll see everything listed here. And like I said, these are my favorites for the Honda Pioneer for 2025. These products will work on everything from 2016 till present, the 25s and 26s. No issues whatsoever. All these parts should fit. They haven't changed the Honda that much. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. We're enjoying Velvet Weekend. That video is coming soon, and we'll be doing a 7-year review here very shortly. So be looking for it. So to all the Honda owners out there that come here to watch the Pioneer videos, if you're not sure on buying a Pioneer, I don't make any money off Honda, but you're more welcome to ask me questions on this or watch my list of reviews. For all the people that's here for the hunting videos, they're coming. You'll see the Pioneer in them. And as always, God bless. We love each and every one of you, and Pine Life is growing, and we want to keep it growing. So if you have not yet liked a video, please go through our playlist and look. We got them for everything. Hit the like button. If you don't mind, subscribe. And click that bell for notifications so you don't miss one single video. We got deer season 2025 rolling up, and we're fixing the takeoff video in Indiana, LBL, just everywhere. So y'all come along for the ride. We love y'all. Until next time, God bless. We'll see you.